individual has a unique personality gifted by God, unique set of aptitudes, attributes, a unique set of skills which the individual has acquired, and a very unique set of interests. I usually ask parents what would have happened if Virat Kohli would have got into acting, into movies, and maybe Ranveer Singh would have got into 2020 international cricket match. Now that 10th board examination is cancelled, students and parents are confused. How do I select a subject going forward to study in class 11th? Earlier, it was quite easy. Go with the subject which gets you maximum marks. For example, maths, if you get 19 out of 100 most of the times, or maybe if it's bio where you're getting 90 to 95. So it was quite easy for them to identify the right subject for further studies. So when parents come to me and ask what to do now, they think they are into a big problem. On the contrary, I tell them this is something like a blessing in disguise. I want to address all my dear parents and tell them that marks per se should never be the only criteria to select the right subject for further studies, especially for a student who is transitioning from class 10th board to 11th and 12th. More so because this transition is the first career turn in that student's career journey. An inappropriate selection of subject at this stage can cost happiness for that kid in his life. So, I suggest that parents, teachers, schools should definitely go for a scientific way of analyzing the student's personality, aptitude, interest, mapping all the three together and analyzing it with the help of a professional career counselor, and then decide on the best fitment subject to be studied by that student for his or her future endeavors. Now let me explain this to you with an example. Suppose a student who is very good in mathematics gets 95 plus marks out of 100 almost in every examination, and if this marks is only considered as the criteria, maybe the student goes in for PCM as the subjects of choice for higher studies, and maybe that leads to that fellows going for IIT JEE or various other engineering entrance examinations. And suppose if the student lands up doing a computer science engineering program and gets into a job, maybe into coding, and what if that student is an extrovert personality? What if the student is not investigative high? What if the student is low on his spatial ability? If these three things are not in place, even getting 100 out of 100 in mathematics will not make the student a very happy person in life in that particular career. I usually ask parents what would have happened if Virat Kohli would have got into acting, into movies, and maybe Ranveer Singh would have got into 2020 international cricket match. Would both of them be as successful as they are now? Definitely no. And you guessed it right. And the reason behind is every individual has a unique personality gifted by God, unique set of aptitudes, attributes, a unique set of skills which the individual has acquired, and a very unique set of interests. All these should be mapped together to find out those career options which are best suitable for that particular child. Wish you all the best. This is Dr. Ajit Varvankar, Director, myaglakadam.com.